So for this one, we're going to add the label element to the text box in scrolling text area. We're going to use our contact form that we did in the previous exercise. So I'm going to create a 10.3, go over here and get this contact, open it up in Notepad, take a look at what it looks like. So here we go. And this one is going to be called label.html. Got our contact form, contact us. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add a label element to wrap around the input tag. Label. Close it out. Save it, run it. Notice that you don't notice a whole lot different, right? And that's okay. We're going to add one to each one of these. So we're going to do this label for comments, because what that's going to do is that's going to associate it with our scrolling text box form control. Save it, run it. Looks exactly the same. And that's right. It should, because the label elements don't change the way it displays. But a web page visitor with physical challenges can now see and find the form easier through the use of the label tag. So this helps to make it more 508 handicap accessible, just follows the accessibility guidelines a little bit better.